Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones to your iPhone. First, ensure your headphones are charged and powered on. Press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a voice prompt saying Bluetooth pairing, and the blue indicator light flashes rapidly. Now, grab your iPhone and let's move to the next step to complete the connection. With your headphones in pairing mode, open your iPhone Settings app. Tap on Bluetooth and make sure the toggle is switched to the green on position. Your iPhone will now search for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see WH-1000XM3 appear under Other Devices. Tap on it, and your headphones will connect, indicated by a voice prompt saying Bluetooth connected. Once paired, your Sony headphones will usually reconnect automatically to your iPhone when both devices have Bluetooth enabled and are powered on. For advanced features, download the free Sony Headphones Connect app from the App Store. This app allows you to fine-tune sound quality, adjust noise cancellation levels, and access other personalized settings, giving you full control over your listening experience. If you encounter connection problems, first check that both your headphones and iPhone have adequate battery life. A simple restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. If the issue persists, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, tap the eye icon next to WH-1000XM3, and select Forget this device. Then, repeat the initial pairing steps to establish a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.